Giikaro gia kamiti ya ambunge igi ugitiri wa bururi gikuhaririirio niguo kuigirira mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Noordin Haji Kabiru-ini na guthima wagiriru wa kana ni abatie gukindirwo ari mutongoria wa ruhonge rwa ugaciru NIS thutha wa kwamurwo ni President William Ruto.
Noordin Haji.
No nĩ giikaro-ini giki Noordin ekorire na ihinda iritu ria gucokia ciuria. Mũmbunge wa Gilgil Martha Wangari akienda kumenya wigie kana Haji ni ari na itemi anyitire na macira maria mahagukire matongoria nene uteti-ini thutha wa President William Ruto kuoya matamu ma wathani.
You are on record coming very strongly to say that a case is sealed and you have enough material to prosecute, only to drop it later and cite insufficient evidence.
Eventually, it is the court that decides whether the Director of Public Prosecution can withdraw that case or not. And there are certain instances where the courts have refused, and we have had to go back to the drawing board and continue prosecuting.
And if you have admitted to have been influenced or interfered with, what will you do differently if you get to the NIS?
There are sweeping statements that have been thrown at me, none of which have the requisite statements, including accusing me of saying that I was coerced and I made the decision under duress. At no point did I say that. Actually, what I said is I was coerced, but I did not succumb to any coercion whatsoever.
Wegi ndugamano iria yonekanire kwiyumiria gatagati ka wabici yake na ruhonge rwa uthuthuria DCI rungu rwa George Kinoti. Haji augite ati ngurani yaumanire na gukorwo ati DCI ndiaheanaga wira muiganu wigi macira ngurani, na riu Haji akiuga ati ni andikire munene wa borithi akienda uthuthuria utabanie wa aria matarutire wira wao uria kwagiriire.
It exposed ridicule because you are serving the same government, ridicule and incompetence between the two offices. So my question is, what difference will you do?
What we have done is we've taken all those cases back to the DCI to reinvestigate and give us a final view of how these cases should either proceed or the files being closed.
Mũmbunge wa Kinangofu kwenya thuku ni atumurire kiuria kigie riboti ya mwaka wa 2021 na 2022 ya muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari iria yonanĩtie ũhotekeku wa gũkorwo wabici ya Haji ni yahũthĩrire ciringi milioni 9 cia kũrĩha wabici ĩtakũhũthĩka Mombasa, na Haji yaugĩte atĩ ni harĩirie gũthitangwo nĩ ũndũ wa mbeca icio angĩkorwo nĩ gũgũkorwo na mendekithia ta macio.
Have you as a good leader given any recommendation as to how we'd get ourselves or get ODPP out of that quagmire whereby the accounting officer is the prosecutor?
These were offices that were properly acquired, and I apologize if we had lost the money, but it is a decision that we had made. But because of the COVID pandemic that came in, there were certain issues that we could not it was beyond us.
Ona kuhana uguo, Haji ni ageririe kuiguithia mbunge ya ati angikorwo ni akuheo kanya ga gutungata ruhonge-ini rwa NIS ni akugathika mitaratara ya gutigirira bururi-ini ukuguneka na riboti cia wabici iyo, na ati ndagwitikira wabici iyo ihuthike kurwa haro cia kiuteti. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wagiriru.